In the quest for education in remote areas of Manga district within Kisi region, pupils take their lessons from such a facility. With earthen walls and dilapidated desks, ultimately they need to be the future leaders of their village and country. With all the risks involved, among them falling of the roofs, pneumonia attack orchestrated by earthen walls and uncovered windows, they do not have an option. However, thanks to the Health and Water Foundation, a Kenyan NGO in collaboration with Intervita International, an Italian-based NGO, for their efforts to uplift the lives and schooling environment for these pupils by building these model-equipped classes like no other in the whole district. The program stretches up to 3 years and is equipped with different components, as Anita Espanour, an Intervita representative, explains.
And this is supposed to be a 3 years development program. It is very multi-sectoral. The sectors that are involved in the projects are education, health, water and sanitation, hygiene, agriculture, trainings in HIV/AIDS, trainings in many other components.
Yesterday was a commissioning of the 2 classes at Kiangoso Primary School. The facility was to be handed over from the overseeing institutions to the community in the presence of the Manga DC Onesmus Kata and the District Education Officer Mr. Lucas Lubanga.
I'm the shortest, and this is what you mean. Everyone together. Okay.
Anita tupenda, Anita hatupenda, Anita tupenda, Anita hatupenda, Anita tupenda, Anita tupenda, Anita tupenda, Anita tupenda. Mungu awapenda, Mungu awapenda, Mungu awapenda, Mungu awapenda, Mungu awapenda.
Speaking after a gathering of the activity, the DEO Lucas Lubanga said that he had changed his bad previous notion with a call to stop government embezzlement of funds, and he was seconded by same sentiment shared by the DC too.
Wakati mmoja nimekuwa wale ambao wamekuwa wakipinga sana kazi ya non-governmental organization. Ilikuwa nasema ya kwamba NGOs wanafanya watu kuwa lazy, wavivu katika kujisimamia. Lakini umepata changamoto kwa sababu serikali imepeana pesa nyingi sana kwa miradi mingi sana, na tungekuwa na impact, immediate impact vile tumeona hapa kufanyika hapa Kiangoso Primary.
So we must appreciate what Intervita International is doing to this district. And we want to say we are very grateful as a district because they are going to touch this district in a special way.
Mr. Chata appreciated and said that Health and Water Foundation together with Intervita are making the district achieve intended development standards.
You must realize that without education, this nation cannot realize we cannot realize our vision 2030. It is one of the key components because we are going to ensure that when we invest in our human resource, this nation is going to grow to great heights of development.
The tree planting exercise symbolized the start of the partnership to ensure that development shoots up. Speaking after the event, Intervita International representative Anita Espanour said that the development is a pilot focusing on elevating poverty and ensuring that pupils get the best learning situations.
Schools, these new classrooms are actually meant to improve the environment for the children so that they can have a better education. Apart from actually having an infrastructure component, we are actually doing lots of trainings for the ECD teachers because we believe that children are the future of this country, and by having a better education, they can be better Kenyans tomorrow.
On the other hand, Mr. Evan Smith Sati, the Director of Health and Water Foundation, gives the insight of the program.
Today we were here to hand over a project that was completed by Health and Water Foundation, a non-governmental organization that is working in the communities, particularly in our Kisi region. We work to improve the facilities in our primary schools. You can see behind me there are 2 classrooms that we have constructed by the help of donors. We have donors from Italy. We have an organization called Intervita International. It's one of the organizations which has given us funds to do the work we are doing. What we are doing is to showcase the best practice of management of funds, particularly public resources.
He, however, challenged the government stimulus program that they overquote, usually on the same project.
We want to urge the stimulus program that is going to be done by the government through the CDF, that they can fall suit because with 1 million shillings we are able to construct 4 classrooms, or as you can see. And when we hear the stimulus program, the government is using 1.5 million, that is public resources. We actually want to say that that money can be used in a better way to give such classrooms which will be economical, because this is public funds.
It's a challenge to the government and other stakeholders to ensure that pupils of this caliber learn in better situation to be leaders of tomorrow, as they usually are called. Kimani Waura reporting for K24 News.